Hi there, making this video because I could not find anything online in how to properly connect, disconnect, assemble and disassemble your 1-1670917-1 connector. This goes on your Subaru coils. As far as I know, on the 2016 2.5 liters Forester, and I could not find anywhere. Most videos they show their old connector. So in order to assemble it, well, it's very simple. You make it click into the coil. To remove it, you have to press this tab over here, and you see how it actuates the clip, and then you pull. That's how you connect and disconnect without breaking anything. Now, in order to, if you want to replace the wires or fix the wires, there's a way to remove this tab. I made the mistake of pulling from the tab right here, and I broke it. It's so thin that you will easily break it. So I found that with very tiny sunglass screwdriver that fits into this hole, you push here in the hole and drive it out like this. There you go. That's how you do it. That's how you take it out without breaking anything. Now to put it back in, gotta grab it from here. Let's see. And slide it over. There you go. To remove the wires, you do the same here. I'm going to show an example with one. I want to remove, just slide one over. I don't need to remove the whole thing. Right here. You want to remove all three. Then you push it all the way out. If not, just say I want to remove just one. While I pull the wire, I will push here this tab. Let's see. You can see here. There you go. You see, that's how you take it off. Make sure that when you insert, the top is facing upwards and it clicks. When it clicks, you push it down again and you're good. Thank you for watching. I wish I had known this before and I wouldn't have broken my connector when I was cleaning and repairing it. Please like and subscribe.